Hey everyone, it's DIY Mama coming to you with a new project. I've been doing this for a couple of years and some of my neighbors think it's pretty funny, but I Googled it and on YouTube I found out that there's a way that you can cellophane your tree with the ornaments and lights already on it, which I thought that's genius because I'm always looking for ways to cut down on the amount of time I spend doing things. So anyway, that's what I've been doing for the last several years, and I thought, oh, I'll just show everybody what I'm up to. So here I go. I'm going into the garage. Boys. Quint. Show me yourself.
Right, here we go.
Here's the tree that we keep. Now this right here that Quinn is standing on is Cole's lift. So that's an electric lift that brings them up from the garage floor into the house.
You got it? Yeah. All right. Gentle.
And there's the cellophaned tree ornaments. And I think even the garland is still on it. Thank you, Quint. Woo! All right, let me see if I can find them. Here it is. It's right here. So we're just going to plug it in because it's pretty hilarious to show you what it looks like all wrapped up. Here's the plug. I can just plug it in. I like this little clicker. It's a 1-foot clicker and hopefully all the lights will come on. Now, last year I had some lights out, so I'm not sure what I've got this year. I'm just gonna wait to see. Ta-da! Isn't it a beauty? And that's a wrap.
That's a narrow Christmas tree.
And it's a leaning tower. All right, so let's unwrap it.
Last year we sliced it open.
Yeah. Okay. So there's one. So this isn't all completely one piece. It's multiple pieces. Now, one thing I do is I make sure that when I'm unwrapping it, that I do it gently so that what ornaments are on there will not crash to the floor. I do lose a few each year, so I take off my favorites so I make sure that I don't lose anything that's super precious to me. All right. Oh, so see, did you see that branch that just came down? Now they're going to start falling out. There goes another one. Clem,
No lights.
it's going to be over here. This is where it's going to fall out so you can show them. Now, comes on down. And I make sure that there's nothing on there that I'm going to worry about breaking. So here's the ball. And here it lays down. And it's already. That's worked out perfectly. That string of lights isn't on though. I just figured that out. And I know it's fun to decorate a tree. That's part of the charm of the season and the tradition of the season. But this gives me a good start and we can get to the fun part faster. Now, also, some people prefer real trees. And I did too for years and years. But we found this is just to be a lot better for our family. I think it's going to start going pretty fast. So. Hey Clint, come here please.
La 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 la.
Quinn, what song do you have for us this year? Oh, it's the Redskins.
Oh, the
Redskins
Redskins
are down.
fell.
The Redskins are down. Wow.
No!
That is telling, isn't it?
Hail to the Redskins.
Certain amount of fluff that needs to be done after it all comes down as well. Getting things back on there correctly. Here's Cooley.
Oh, what is that?
That's the Mustang.
The Cowboys. I think we took the Mustang off because that's my favorite.
So you have to find a good
It's
place.
a convertible Mustang with a tree in the back seat. Given to me by Amy Long in Kansas City.
It's like a Christmas present. We're opening the Christmas tree. Aww.
Oh, here's your twirling angels.
Are they plugged in?
Yeah, that's moving. They're twisting, spinning.
Didn't work like I thought it was.
You need a ladder? Here, catch. Oh, man. Incomplete pass. And voila.
There you have it.
There's the tree. Now it needs flipping. But overall, it's kind of nice. Say, oh.
So we're right at the 10-minute marks. This process took 10 minutes to this point.
Wow, I have quite a few lights out, don't I? Look at this beauty.
Who made that?
I don't know, but oh my goodness.
Turn around. Cold.
Look at the hair on this angel. She's fried. Okay, well, we all have had hair days like that.
Here's a quaint one. Christmas is upon us.
And although the tree is not completely decorated, it is now up, lit, the star is on it, and it's fluffed out. Hey, if you're interested in wrapping your tree at the end of the season in cellophane, I suggest you enlist the help of someone else, just because it takes more than one person to get this job done. Also, if you're interested in watching our family wrap the tree at the end of the season, just so that you can get a visual on what that looks like, leave your comments below and we'll see what we can do about that. In the meantime, peace, love, and happiness, and Merry Christmas to you and yours.